Sales order lets you easily set up custom order routing rules and see your orders all in one easy to find order list. To set up an order routing, please note that it's only enabled when you are connected to a WMS system. To connect to a WMS system, click here. Then you're going to go ahead and either connect your units wise or item WMS. This is all set up when you first sign up with item. Once it's connected, you'll see your list of warehouses. You can arrange it by just drag and drop. To add a custom rule, choose which rule you want. This is how locations are selected to fulfill orders, and again, it runs from the top to the bottom. If you're okay with a rule, go ahead and save it. To remove a rule, click X. To add a rule, click Add, and then choose which rule you want. You can add a custom rule for each specific warehouse. So this, for example, I can say that I only want this warehouse to fulfill a certain amount of items at a time. Also, it doesn't integrate with USPS. I can save it. This allows me to set the rule as active or inactive. Once I save the rule, I'll see it down here. To remove the rule, click the trash icon. To edit, click the pencil icon. And all your rules will be under this location.